to church on Sunday. Don't get on my knees to pray. Don't memorize the books of the Bible. I got my own special way. But I know Jesus loved me, maybe just a little bit more. If I fall on my knees every Sunday, I'd surrender Lee's candy store. Well, it's got to be a chocolate Jesus, make me feel so good inside. Gotta be a chocolate Jesus to keep me satisfied. Well, I don't want no ever, don't want no almond joy. There ain't nothing better suitable for this girl. Well, it's the only thing that can pick me up, better than a cup of gold. See, only a chocolate Jesus can satisfy my soul. When the weather gets rough and it's whiskey in the shade, best to wrap your savior up in cellophane. Flows like the big muddy, but that's okay. Pour him over ice cream for a nice buffet. Well, it's gotta be a chocolate Jesus, good enough for me. Gotta be a chocolate Jesus, good enough for me. Well, it's gotta be a chocolate Jesus to make me feel so good inside. Gotta be a chocolate Jesus to keep me satisfied.